Good evening students. Ninth class lo 6th chapter chemical reactions and equations. We observe that in our daily life two type of changes. First one physical change, second one chemical change. What is the physical change? For example, we know that water converted ice, at the same time ice converted water. This type of changes, temporary changes. This type of changes is called the physical changes. What is chemical change? We take wood. The wood converted into coal, but coal does not converted into wood, and this is permanent changes. The permanent changes are called the chemical changes. This type of chemical changes accompanied by the reactions, such reactions are called the chemical reactions. Chemical reactions represented with arrow mark. The chemical reactions represented with arrow mark, which are participate in the chemical reactions. The substances are called the reactants. Which substances are participate in the reaction? That substances are called the reactants. Which are formed by the reaction? That substances are called the products. Here chemical reaction represented with arrow mark. Which substances are participate in the chemical reaction are called the reactants. Reactants are left hand side of the arrow mark. Which are formed by the substances? Which are formed substances by the chemical reaction? That substances are called the products. Products are right hand side of the arrow mark. Types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are classified into four types. First one, chemical combination. What is chemical combination? Two or more reactants combine. Two or more reactants combine to form only one product. That type of reactions are called the chemical combination reaction. For example, magnesium react with oxygen to form the magnesium oxide. Carbon react with oxygen to form the carbon dioxide. We observe that here two or more substances participate, only form one product. Those type of reactions, examples of the chemical combination. Two or more reactants combine to form only one product. Such type of reactions are called the chemical combination reaction. Next one, chemical decomposition reaction. One reactant decompose two or more products in the presence of heat, light, electricity. Such type of reactions are called the chemical decomposition reaction. For example, we take water. In the presence of electricity to form hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Here one reactant decompose two or more products in the presence of electricity, like that. Calcium carbonate in the presence of heat to form calcium oxide, carbon dioxide. One reactant decompose two or more products in the presence of heat. Another example, silver bromide in the presence of sunlight to form silver and bromine gas. Here also one reactant decompose two or more products. Those are examples of the chemical decomposition reactions. In all reactions, one reactant decompose two or more products. So this is a chemical decomposition reaction. The chemical decomposition reaction again classified into three types. One is thermal decomposition, second one is electrochemical decomposition, third one is photochemical decomposition. What is thermal decomposition reaction? The chemical decomposition reaction occur in the presence of heat. Such reactions are called the thermal decomposition reaction. What is electrochemical decomposition reaction? The chemical decomposition reaction occur in the presence of electricity. Such type of reaction electrochemical decomposition reaction. What is photochemical decomposition reaction? The chemical decomposition reaction occur in the presence of sunlight. Such type of reactions are called the photochemical decomposition reaction. Okay. Next, chemical displacement reaction. For example, what is general formula of chemical displacement? A plus Bx gives rise to Ax plus B. Initially, we observe that X element combined with B before reaction. After reaction, the X element combined with A. That means here X element place is changes. Okay? Chemical displacement. Which chemical reactions one element displaces to another element from its compound? Such type of reactions are called the chemical displacement reaction. For example, zinc react with hydrochloric acid to form the zinc chloride. Unliberated gas is hydrogen. First chlorine combined with hydrogen. After reaction chlorine combined with zinc. Ante here chlorine places changes to another element from its compound. So this is example of the chemical displacement reaction. Fourth one, chemical double displacement reaction. This is also called as chemical double decomposition reaction. What? Write the general formula of chemical double decomposition. Ax plus By gives rise to Ay plus Bx. We observe that initially X combined with A. After reaction X combined with B. Before reaction Y combined with B. After reaction Y combined with A. And in this reaction two elements are displaced from one to each other. Which type of chemical reactions two elements displaces one to each other? Such type of reactions are called the chemical double displacement reactions. The example of the chemical double displacement reaction is HCl plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. H2O means H bond OH. Initially chlorine combined with hydrogen. After reaction chlorine combined with sodium. And their chlorine place is changes. Initially hydroxide combined with sodium. After reaction hydroxide combined with hydrogen. That means here hydroxide place also changes. In the same reaction, two elements are displaced one to each other. So this is the example of chemical double displacement reaction. Thank you.